Hello once again, this is Albert on Language Tricks. Today again we have a maths question here. So it says solve for x and y in 3 power 3y divided by 3 power 2x is equal to 6561, and 2 power 2x times 2 power 3y is equal to 1. So each time you see in mathematics two unknowns, that means the question will end up in a simultaneous equation. That is how we'll be able to solve any algebraic equation with two unknowns. So we can start on the easier part, the shorter one, 2 power 2x times 2 power 3y is equal to 1. So we can use the laws of indices. We know that a power n times a power m normally means that when you multiply the numbers with the same bases, so you simply add the powers. So this one will become 2 power 2x times 2 power 3y will become 2 power 2x plus to the raised to the power 3y. Okay, so it will become 2 power 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. Again, we solving indices, we have to have the same bases. So using a law of a power 0 is normally equal to 1. Any number power 0 is normally equal to 1. So we have to give 1 a base similar to the base of 2 so that we may be able to solve, because without that we cannot solve them. So we can express 1 as a base of 2 to the power 0. So when the bases are the same, that means the powers also should be equal to each other. So we have that 2x plus 3y is equal to 0 as our equation 1. So we move to the other side where we have 3 power 3y divided by 2 power 2x is equal to 6561. So again we have the law of a power n divided by a power m should be equal to a power n minus m. So when we are dividing numbers with the same indices with the same bases, so we minus the powers. So that one 3 power 3y divided by 3 power 2x will become 3 power 3y minus 2x to raise to that power is equal to 6561. Again, I said when we are dealing with indices, we have to have same bases so that we may be able to solve. When you look at 6561, we can test whether it is divisible by 3. So we add these digits. So this one becomes 18. So divisible by 3. So I can just start a factor tree here. Can write a factor tree here. So that I get the factors of 6561. So here when we go by 3, we get 2187. By 3, here we go, we get 729. By 3, 243. Again by 3 here, what do we get? 381. By 3 here we get 27. By 3, 9. Again by 3, 3. So we can rewrite 6561 as equal to 3 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 power 8. So our equation up here can be rewritten basically as 3 power 3y minus 2x should be equal to 3 power 8. So when the bases are the same, that means that the powers also are equal. So we have 3y minus 2x should be able to give us 8. So we can put it as a equation 2. So we said we are going to solve this using simultaneous equation method. So we had our equation 1 here, 2x plus 3y is equal to 0 as our equation 1. Then now we have our equation 2 here, 3y minus 2x is equal to 8. So we can rewrite our equation 1, 2x plus 3y equal to 0 as equation 1. Then equation 2 we have 3y minus 2x is equal to 8 as equation 2. So we are ready to solve this simultaneous equation. So looking at the numbers here, we can see 3y here, 3y here. So you can either use substitution or elimination. So I think elimination will be better in this case. So I can write the first one as 3y plus 2x is equal to 0, equation 1. Then 2, 3y minus 2x is equal to 8 as equation 2. So we can eliminate by minusing 3y minus 3y is 0. 2x minus 2x becomes 2x plus 2x, which will give us 4x is equal to 0. When we minus 8, it becomes minus 8. So here we are left with 4x is equal to negative 8. So we divide both sides by 4 so that we can get our x here like that. So we remain with negative 2. So we get our x is equal to negative 2. So after getting our x is equal to negative 2, we need to solve for y. So you can replace y in any of the equations, equation 1 or equation 2. Okay, so when we put it maybe in equation 1, from equation 1, 2x plus 3y equal to 0, but 3x plus 2y is equal to 0, but x is equal to negative 2. So we say 2 times negative 2 plus 3y equal to 0. So 2 times negative 2 becomes negative 4 plus 3y is equal to 0. So we can take 4 to the other side, so we remain with 3y is equal to 0. When we push this to the other side, it will become plus 4. So 3y is equal to 4. So we divide both sides by 3, here by 3, here 1, here 1. So we say y is equal to 4 over 3, or 1 and 1 over 3. So we were looking for the values of x and y. So we can say x is equal to negative 2, y is equal to 1 over 3. Okay, these are my correct answers. Okay, that is how to solve it. Welcome again.